Hello there. In this session, we're going to understand what Sonar Cloud is. And then in the next session, we're going to create a pipeline with the Sonar Cloud. So first understand what Sonar Cloud is. Sonar Cloud is a cloud-based code analysis services designed to detect coding issues in 26 different languages. Basically, as a developer, they used to write the code. And with the help of these Sonar Cloud tool, you will be able to detect any bugs, syntax issues, code smells, any unwanted thing which should impact your performance in the code, that will be highlighted with the help of Sonar Cloud. I'll tell you one example. For example, you are creating a code. In that code, you have created a function. In that function, some activity is happening. Now, instead of calling that function into another module, you are just writing that thing again and again. So you are not utilizing that function. So Sonar Cloud may pinpoint that you, it is a bad code, or it will give in some code smells that, hey, your code is repetitive, it's duplicate. So like that, it will detect those kind of, it will give you the analysis for those scenarios. Let's read further. By integrating directly with your CI pipeline, your code is checked against an extensive set of rules that cover many attributes of your code, such as maintainability, reliability, and security issues on each merge and pull request. So, in the backend, what is happening when you integrate Sonar Cloud with your Azure DevOps? There are certain set of rules which is going to run. Basically, the analysis which Azure DevOps and Sonar Cloud going to do with your code is being done. So it will be giving you some report kind of thing after doing those tests that, hey, if your code is reliable, optimized, and ready to go to the production. So again, Sonar Cloud will help you to optimize your code and will eventually help better performance. As a core element of Sonar solution, Sonar Cloud completes the analysis loop to help you deliver a clean code that meets high quality standards. Basically, our main goal is to improve the quality of your code. So if you are using Sonar Cloud, so Sonar Cloud is over the cloud, and if you are aware of Sonar Cube, Sonar Cube with a Q is on-premises version. Like in Azure DevOps, we have Azure DevOps Services, which is a cloud version, and Azure DevOps Server, which is the on-premise version. So we are using Sonar Cloud, so which will help you to achieve or meet the expectation of the high standard quality code. So if there are any issues with the code, it will highlight that, and later you can work with the developer to fix those issues. Isn't it interesting? So we'll integrate in the next session how it will look, or how you can integrate with Sonar Cloud. Here in this PPT, we can see that how the life cycle of the Sonar Cloud will be. First, we will be preparing the analysis on Sonar Cloud. Then we will building the code. Then we are going to analyze the code, and then we're going to publish it. So cycle will be, first we will prepare that, hey, we are going to run this analysis on the Sonar Cloud. Then you're gonna build. This is a .NET task, so we're gonna see each and everything, but I'm just explaining the flow. First, we're gonna prepare, then the build will happen, then code analysis will be running on the build, and then the code result will be published on Sonar. So that's the flow. To summarize, we'll first prepare, then run the code analysis, and then publish the result. So Sonar Cloud will help you to detect any bugs, any issues, any performance issues, any duplication in the code. Basically, it will improve you to write a good quality code. Let's move to the next section, and there we're gonna understand how we can integrate Sonar Cloud and use it from scratch. Thank you. We'll see you in the next